Top 5 things to do in Paris. How do you choose what to do if you're going to Paris? On a first trip to Paris, tourists often have dreams of visiting the Eiffel Tower and the Louvre, but there are other local areas to discover and new cuisine to sample. There are 45 of the top experiences in Paris that are included on this bucket list. On your first trip to Paris, don't anticipate seeing them all. We didn't either. If you're anything like us, Paris is the kind of place you'll want to go back to. 1. Tower of Eiffel. The Eiffel Tower is without a doubt one of Paris's most well-known sights. The first time you see the Eiffel Tower is often exciting. A journey up the Eiffel Tower is a must-do for tourists who are visiting Paris for the first time. 2. The Louvre. The largest art museum in the world is the Louvre. Louis XIV and other French kings formerly resided in this structure. The Louvre was transformed into a museum in the 18th century during the French Revolution. 3. Go for a walk along Champs-Élysées. Touristy? Yes. However, you must still do it. This roadway, which connects the Place de la Concorde to the Arc de Triomphe, is among the most well-known in the entire globe. Another must-do when in Paris is to stop by La Durée for macarons. 4. Arc de Triomphe. The Arc de Triomphe is located at the very top of the Champs-Élysées. One of the nicest views of Paris can be had from the top of the Arc. View the Louvre from the Champs-Élysées, La Défense from the outside, and the Eiffel Tower from the rooftops. You may observe Paris and the Eiffel Tower glow at night. An amazing sight to behold. 5. Île de la Cité. Île de la Cité is the small island in the center of Paris that is home to Sainte-Chapelle and Notre Dame. It is the historic heart of Paris. We wish you a great trip and lots of fun. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.